Imagine a world where pain and injury are treated not with pills, but with the power of nature and movement. In this journey, we'll explore how physiotherapy harnesses natural methods to restore health and performance, offering a fresh perspective on healing. After that intriguing opening, let's preview the journey ahead. We'll uncover what physiotherapy truly is, its impact in sports, the vital role of physiotherapists, and the diverse techniques that make this field so effective. To begin, we need to understand what physiotherapy really means. We'll break down its definition, origins, and the fundamental principles that set it apart from conventional medicine. Let's start with a clear definition. Physiotherapy is the science in which a patient is treated with water, heat, radiation, light, ice, electricity, and magnetic energy. This definition highlights the unique approach of physiotherapy, focusing on natural and physical methods rather than pharmaceuticals. Understanding this foundation is crucial as we explore its applications. Here's how physiotherapy works, built on natural healing, ancient practices, rehabilitation, and minimal medication. Natural healing in physiotherapy involves using massage, exercise, and physical agents like water, heat, and ice to promote recovery. Physiotherapy has ancient origins, often practiced in homes through massaging, rubbing, and heat fulmination. The rehabilitation focus of physiotherapy is to restore function after injury or disability, enabling patients to regain their abilities. Minimal medication is a key principle, with medicine used only if extremely necessary, emphasizing natural treatment methods. Physical therapy, another name for physiotherapy, combines exercise, magnetic equipment, and affordability to deliver lasting results. Physical exercise in physiotherapy strengthens muscles, tissues, and ligaments, supporting recovery and performance. Magnetic equipment is used alongside natural resources in physiotherapy, enhancing treatment effectiveness. Affordability is a hallmark of physiotherapy, making it effective and cost-efficient for long-term treatment. Next, let's see how physiotherapy shapes the world of sports. We'll examine its role in treating injuries, enhancing performance, and keeping athletes in the game. Picture this. An athlete is injured mid-game, facing a sprain that threatens their ability to compete. The challenge is immediate. How can they recover quickly and safely without resorting to painkillers or banned substances? This real-life problem highlights the critical role of physiotherapy in sports, where rapid, natural treatment can make all the difference. Physiotherapy's contribution in sports is seen in injury treatment, immediate care, performance enhancement, and a drug-free approach. Injury treatment in sports physiotherapy addresses fractures, dislocations, sprains, and strains, helping athletes recover efficiently. Immediate care relies on massage, ice, and natural remedies to relieve pain and discomfort, keeping athletes active. Performance enhancement through physiotherapy strengthens muscles, tissues, and ligaments, improving athletic ability. A drug-free approach is central, with no painkillers or ability-enhancing medicines allowed during competitions. Quick recovery methods like ice massage and physical exercise are essential for athletes facing injuries. Ice massage is used to reduce swelling and pain from sprains and strains, speeding up recovery. Physical exercise restores joint mobility and muscle strength, enabling athletes to return to play. Now let's focus on the people behind the practice. We'll explore the role of physiotherapists, their expertise, and how they support athletes during competitions and training. Physiotherapists carry out responsibilities ranging from sports medicine expertise to immediate treatment, fatigue relief, and ongoing research. Sports medicine knowledge enables physiotherapists to treat injuries with specialized expertise, ensuring effective recovery. Immediate treatment is provided by physiotherapists on the field during competitions, helping athletes stay in the game. Fatigue relief is a key responsibility, as physiotherapists offer both physical and mental rest to athletes. Research and innovation drive physiotherapists to develop better injury treatments, advancing the field. The impact of physiotherapists on athlete performance is seen in maximizing mobility, relieving muscle strain, and preventing long-term damage. Maximizing mobility enables athletes to perform a full range of movements during games and training. Relieving muscle strain reduces discomfort and risk, allowing athletes to compete safely. Preventing long-term damage depends on proper diagnosis and treatment by physiotherapists, safeguarding athletes' futures. Finally, let's dive into the techniques that make physiotherapy so versatile. We'll examine the main methods, from exercise and massage to advanced therapies using heat, electricity, and magnets. Notice how these techniques align in surprising ways, each offering unique benefits for recovery and performance. Therapeutic exercises are used to rehabilitate an injured limb, often involving special exercises tailored to the injury. Massage relieves fatigue and relaxes muscles, with techniques like effleurage and petrissage. Cryotherapy reduces pain and swelling, using methods such as ice packs and ice massage. Hydrotherapy enhances joint and muscle function, often through hot or cold water and water-based exercises. Infrared rays therapy treats muscles and ligaments using an infrared lamp. Heat therapy warms up the body and relieves pain with tools like hot water bottles and steam baths. Electrotherapy repairs nerves and reduces pain, using devices that deliver electric current. Magnetic therapy treats joint and muscle injuries with magnetic rings and bracelets. Massage techniques like effleurage, petrissage, tapotement, friction, and vibration each offer unique ways to relax and restore muscles. Effleurage is a gentle stroking technique using palms in a circular motion to relax muscles. Petrissage involves kneading and squeezing muscles, similar to kneading dough to improve circulation. Tapotement uses tapping, cupping, and pinching motions for percussion massage. Friction massage uses fingertips to create friction, targeting strained and swollen areas. Vibration massage applies light vibrations, either manually or with electric devices, to stimulate tissues. Let's trace the chain of events in cryotherapy, a popular method for treating sports injuries. The process begins when an injury, such as a sprain or strain, occurs during sports. Next, ice is applied to the affected area using an ice pack or ice massage. This step helps reduce swelling and minimize inflammation in the injured region. Preventing internal bleeding is crucial, as ice helps control further damage. Finally, the injury heals faster, allowing the athlete to return to activity sooner. Physiotherapy reminds us that healing can be achieved through the wisdom of nature and movement. By empowering recovery and enhancing performance, physiotherapy offers a path to health that is both natural and effective. The journey continues as we embrace these principles in everyday life.